Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get a dollar card for all your online transactions. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's just start so that this video will be very simple. Okay, so we are going to use this particular app called Eversend. Okay, so basically there are a lot of ways to get virtual card, or let me see, dollar cards. Okay, but we are going to make use of Eversend. So first of all, you download it from App Store or Play Store, then you create an account. We already have App Store, like I've already done everything already, so I just launch the app. I'll open it because I set a pin on it. So as you can see, I've been using this app for quite some time now for my transactions, and one thing is you can use it to send money across Africa. Okay, so first of all, before you get a card, you need to deposit at least $1. Okay, so you check the equivalent of dollar in your country. Okay, the equivalent of dollar in my country is 10 cedis, 88 pesos, as at the time I'm doing this video right now. Okay, so you are going to deposit the amount. You tap on fund, then you select the mobile money option. You choose your number, and you don't see your number over there, you just enter it. Okay, so I'll enter, instead of 10.88, I'm just going to do it 20 cedis. Okay, now tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you wait to receive your authorization. Okay, it's already in, so I just enter my Momo pin. Okay, so I'll just wait for it to reflect. I'm already having 19 cedis, 6 pesos, so it should be somewhere around 39 cedis, 6 pesos, or maybe they will deduct some charges. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, it's already in. They didn't deduct any charges, so I'm having 39 cedis, 6 pesos. Okay, so let's head over to the purpose of this video. For the creation of the account, you tap on card over here, then you go to create new card. Okay, so you are going to read all these terms. The most important thing is this one, the maintenance fee. Yeah, with the maintenance fee, you can choose to pay $1 every month, or you pay $3, which is a one-time payment. Meaning, if you pay the $1, you are going to pay every month. But then, if you should pay $3, you are not going to pay again. It's a it's a one-time payment. Okay, then you read the card penalties and all those stuff. If you are done, then you tap on accept and continue. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm just going in for the first one, which is a $1 monthly fee. Okay, so it means I'm going to pay $1 every month. Okay, so I'll tap on it. I'll choose the color of the card I want. I'm just going for the black one. I'll go to continue. Okay, so you are going to pay the $1, since I selected $1 monthly fee. Okay, yeah, so you need to convert the money in your local currency to dollar. Okay, so I'll go back and do that. So this is how you do that one. You go to exchange. Okay, go to exchange, you select cedis over here, then to USD, which is the dollar. Okay, so let me just convert everything. So if I should convert the 39 cedis, I'm going to get 3.04. Okay, so I'll continue. Okay, so I'm done converting. So I'll repeat the process again. Go to card, create new card, accept and continue. Now select the monthly fee of $1. Now choose the color of card I want. Okay, so I'll enter $1 over here. Okay, since that's the amount I'm going to pay for the card creation. Okay, so with a note, it's optional. You can choose to write anything or leave it. I'm just going to leave it because it's not necessary. Okay, so I'll tap on continue over here. It says you're about to create a virtual card with $1. Okay, so I'll tap on continue. I have to verify my face. Oh, I think because there is no light here. Let me try again. Okay, so you wait for it to load. I don't think this is going to take a long time. It will come very soon. Okay, so it says you have created a new virtual card of $1. I tap on OK. Okay, so to see whether your card is successful or not, you just come to cards over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is my card. This is my card over here. I've gotten a dollar card, a Visa dollar card for free. Yes, the $1 I paid is just for monthly maintenance. Okay, so this is how you are going to fund the account. You tap on fund over here. Then I'm going to use the same money in my what's the name, Eversend account. Okay, so let me select $1. Now go to continue. I'll enter my pin. I'll wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully added $1 to my account. So let's check. Okay, so right now I'm having $2 on my card. Yes, so for security reasons, I'm not going to reveal my card number or any sensitive information. Okay, so in case you want to do any transaction online and they are asking for any billing address, you just come to this place. As you can see, there's the billing address they gave me. Okay, and this same billing address, you can use it for multiple registrations online. You need to go through. Yes, that's how it is. And also, in case you do any subscription and it's disturbing you, or you just take money out of your account anytime, you just come here to the freeze card section. Then you tap on, you activate it. It means there is no transaction that is going to go through unless you unfreeze it. Okay, so if I should tap on unfreeze right now, it means I can use the card anytime. Okay, so this is basically how you can use Eversend to get a dollar card for completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section.